enjoyment of our life. So I'm not eye to eye with this topic because see eye to eye with this topic. Marriage is a beautiful journey. It's a love, it's a growth, it's a happiness, and it's also sorrow. Uh, Two people have a chance to live together, to build a future, to build a career, to success, to achieve their dreams. If you achieve your dreams in individuals, you also have some problems face to have some uh, have to face some problems. If you build together your life, so you also have some problems. It's genuine, it's normal. uh, in marriage, it is a healthy relationship, so you have that stability, you have that independence, you have that me time also. It's not that if you marry someone, so you don't have the me time, you don't have the your own life. It's not that. If your partner is good, if your partner, of course, you and your partner have different mindset. You want to do something, your partner want to do something. As he said, he know how to control the situation, how to do. So yeah, he is in a good relationship, good marriage life. So if you have a good different mindset, your partner has a different mindset, but you know how to build the thing together, so it is a very successful marriage life, I think. I saw my mom, dad also, and I saw different of uncle, aunties. They have a good marriage life. They are not bored at all, and it's not always the partner means the wife always. Quarrel with you, you are not in time, where are you, who is in call. It's not that. If you are a good mindset, if you also have a boy's friend, if you have a male friends group, so your husband also have, maybe they are school friends, maybe they are an old group, and you also know them, then
No, you
yes.
have used many ifs. This particular
Yes.
one, many ifs, right?
Yes.
So now say there is also a else condition, right? If else, if this thing happens, otherwise that thing happens. So what about
Yes.
those other things?
You mean the even the bad, the
Yes.
negative?
What about the else condition?
As condition is, you just explain.
No, no, you are talking about the positive condition.
Yeah, of
This
course,
if
of course.
condition, sorry.
Yes.
If you are a good manager, if you are doing this one,
Yes.
if you have a positive mentor. But what about the other person? What about the other things? The person whom you are getting married doesn't have those things, have those
How do you
qualities.
judge that person?
Yes,
before
how
get
do you-
used to that?
At first I prefer, I'm not married of course, but I prefer love marriage more than arranged marriage, because I feel if you marry someone, you know that person very well, like how we react, how we quarrel at time, how we what is the anger issue, what is a good